Before you take your next sip of pomegranate juice, imagine this: thousands upon thousands of glistening ruby-red fruits, each one bursting with sweetness and nutrients, being hand-picked, cleaned, processed, and transformed into the vivid, tangy juice that pours into your glass. Picture enormous orchards where sunlight gleams off the pomegranate's crimson skin, and factories where human skill and advanced machinery work side by side in perfect synchronization to bring you one of nature's most remarkable creations. Today, we'll uncover the entire behind-the-scenes journey of how pomegranate juice, arils, and whole fruits are produced, from the nurturing fields where the fruit grows to the final beautifully packaged bottles and boxes that line the market shelves. The story begins in the orchard, where the life of every pomegranate starts as a carefully cultivated blossom. Farmers monitor the growth of each fruit with expert precision, ensuring that sunlight, soil quality, and irrigation are balanced perfectly. The tree itself, a symbol of fertility and abundance, can grow up to 10 meters tall. After about 3 to 4 years, it begins to bear fruit. Hundreds of glowing red pomegranates that each hold roughly 600 arils packed with tangy sweet juice. The harvesting process is meticulous. Workers hand-pick each fruit once it reaches full maturity, which is indicated by a deep, vibrant red color and a slightly glossy finish. It's vital that each pomegranate is handled delicately, because the skin, though leathery, can be damaged if mishandled. Once picked, the fruits are placed into baskets and transported from the fields using tractors or small trucks to avoid bruising. A single tree, when fully mature, can yield up to 300 pounds of pomegranates per season, showing how productive these trees can be with proper care. Globally, India stands as the largest producer of pomegranates, contributing over 3,200 tons, a testament to both the country's favorable climate and its long agricultural tradition. From the farms, the freshly harvested fruits are transported to the processing plant. Forklifts unload large boxes of pomegranates onto conveyor belts, marking the beginning of their transformation. The first step is cleaning. The fruits are washed thoroughly in large tanks of water to remove any dirt, dust, or pesticide residue from the outer skin. Some facilities use gentle air bubble cleaning systems that allow the fruits to be cleansed without mechanical damage. Once cleaned, sorting machines lift the fruits out of the water and line them up for inspection. Human workers play a vital role here, removing the calyx, the small crown on top of the fruit, and discarding any pomegranates that show signs of damage, rot, or irregularities in shape or color. Only the best specimens continue along the line. After sorting, the next major step begins, extracting the arils or seeds from the tough outer skin. Specialized cutting machines precisely score the fruit without crushing the delicate seeds inside. The fruits are gently split open, and the arils are separated mechanically using vibratory separators that rely on controlled pressure and air jets. The outer shell and white pith are discarded, while the precious arils move forward for either juice extraction or packaging. The extracted arils, vibrant and jewel-like, are now ready for juicing. Roller-based juice extractors crush them gently, ensuring maximum juice output without breaking down the bitter-tasting seed cores. The fresh juice flows into stainless steel collection tanks, which are designed to preserve flavor and prevent oxidation. Meanwhile, the leftover seed pulp is separated and sometimes repurposed as animal feed or fertilizer, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The juice then enters the filtration phase, where it's clarified to remove tiny pulp particles or impurities. It's passed through fine filters and occasionally centrifuges to achieve the perfect texture and consistency. Once filtered, it moves to the pasteurization stage. This is where the juice is heated briefly at controlled temperatures to kill any harmful microorganisms while preserving its natural flavor, color, and nutrients. After pasteurization, laboratory technicians perform rigorous tests on samples from each batch. They check for taste, purity, sugar content, and microbiological safety. Some facilities go a step further by fortifying the juice with additional nutrients such as vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, or zinc, enhancing its already impressive health benefits. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, compounds known to improve heart health and boost immunity, making quality control a priority. Once the juice passes inspection, it's ready for bottling. Glass bottles or food-grade plastic containers are cleaned thoroughly using sterile water jets to ensure absolute hygiene. Automated filling machines then pour in precise quantities of juice, minimizing air exposure to maintain freshness. Immediately after filling, stainless steel capping machines seal each bottle tightly. These caps are vacuum sealed to prevent any oxygen from entering, which could spoil the juice. The bottles continue down the line to labeling machines, where printed labels are applied, displaying important details such as brand name, nutritional facts, manufacturing date, and expiration date. Next, the bottles move to a leveling station, where sensors check for consistency and fill height. Uniformity not only ensures quality, but also reflects the brand's attention to detail. Once verified, workers carefully pack the bottles into cardboard boxes, usually containing 6 or 12 units. Each box is shrink-wrapped in transparent plastic film for additional protection during transport. The packaged boxes are then stacked on pallets and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses ready for global distribution. On the other side of the plant, another section handles arrow packaging. These operations focus on delivering ready-to-eat arrows directly to consumers. The freshly separated arrows are first passed through weighing machines that ensure each packet contains an accurate portion, typically 100 grams. The arrows are then deposited into small plastic boxes or cups made of food-safe material. Automated sealing machines close each packet with a transparent film, ensuring freshness and preventing contamination. Each package is labeled with product details, including the company logo, batch number, production and expiration date, and nutritional information. The finished arrow boxes are placed into larger crates, collected by forklifts, and stored in cold rooms to maintain their crispness and vibrant color until shipping. In addition to juice and arrows, whole pomegranates are also sorted and packed for market sale. This process requires its own careful attention. After cleaning, fruits are sorted by size using mechanical graders. Market pricing often depends on fruit diameter, so consistent sorting is essential. Workers inspect each fruit for imperfections, then gently place them into paper cartons, usually containing 38 fruits per box. These cartons are sealed, labeled, and stored in cool, dry areas until distribution. From these different production lines emerge 3 main products: fresh juice, packaged arrows, and whole fruits, each serving a distinct purpose in the market, but all sharing the same origin.